Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Robis rohli, sodri, wayasiri amri, wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qauli, la haula wala quwata illa billahil azim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam budaya, salam kebajikan, salam Pancasila. My name is Didi Sunardi. I'm a lecturer in Pancasila University and also doctoral student in Pancasila University, Jakarta, Indonesia. On this opportunity, I will present about my abstract on ECOSAN, legal protection for justice collaborator in Indonesia, criminal justice system, and human rights perspective. What is justice collaborator? Justice collaborator is witness who are also perpetrators of a crime who are willing to help law enforcement officer to uncover a crime or an impending crime by providing information to law enforcement officer and providing testimony in the judicial process. Why is it important? In practice, criminal acts are not easy to prove. So, the role of a justice collaborator arises. Justice collaborator has become key actor who has succeeded in uncovering the criminal case that occurred. The question is, what cases are so difficult to prove that a new figure has emerged in the criminal law system? Organized white-collar crimes is a form of crime that is difficult to prove. One example of a case in Indonesia is the case of Ferdy Sambo, who was a high-ranking Indonesian police officer. This case was resolved with the role of a justice collaborator named Richard Eliezer, who was Ferdy Sambo's subordinate. Why do justice collaborators need maximum protection? That's because Indonesia used the accusatoire system in its criminal justice system. Accusatoire is a principle that places the position of the suspect or defendant as a subject. This means that the suspect or defendant is examined based on his her action, so that witness statements are important in profiling the action of the suspect defendants. Justice collaborator in criminal justice system. Basically, criminal justice system is a system that functions to guarantee and provide human rights protection to suspect, defendants, witness. This system integrates various elements that have functional relationship so that it is able to obtain material truth. It is very clear that justice collaborators are an important element in the criminal justice system. Therefore, justice collaborators need maximum legal protection. However, in the Indonesian criminal law system, several regulations regarding justice collaborators have been made by lawmakers, but in practice several obstacles are still found. First, The first weakness is regarding the submission of a request for justice collaborator to the witness and victim protection agency, LVSK, where the regulations are still unclear. Secondly, to get special treatment, it really depends on the agency handling the suspect or defendants and the assessment of whether the person concerned can be categorized as a justice collaborator or not. Then the decision is determined by the relevant agency. Third, the award for a reduced sentence is not binding on the judge. Problem statement. Based on the background, the study will then discuss the following research questions. First, what are the dynamics of legal protection for justice collaborator in Indonesia? And second, how is justice collaborator protection from the view of human rights perspective? This study used the doctoral legal research methods that relies on secondary data in the form of relevant legal materials. Data are analyzed qualitatively using statutory and conceptual approach. Study concludes. These studies conclude that justice collaborator has indeed been regulated in many laws and regulations in Indonesia. But in terms of substance and institution, there are still several weaknesses. From the human rights perspective, protection of justice collaborator is a form of protection from the state for a citizen without discrimination, even though they are in the position of a suspect accused, equality before the law principle. And for victim, protection for justice collaborator can be meaningful as a further effort to completely uncover the case to find the parties who are legally responsible. Thank you for your attention and thank you for attention. I'm so happy to open a discuss space and accept sharing, and I apologize if there is mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam budaya, salam kebajikan, salam Pancasila.